Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and very good morning, dear students. This is your online study group of International Relations, ADP Semester 1. I am your teacher, Professor Mrs. Sajda. I welcome you in this study group. Dear students, what is international relations? What is IR? IR stands for International Relations. Dear students, international relations can be defined as political activities and other kinds and aspects of interactions among two or more states. The academic field of interactions is a branch of political science that is concerned with the study of relations between states. The study of the relations of states with each other and with international organizations and certain subnational entities such as bureaucracies, political parties, and interest groups. International relations attempt to explain the interactions of states in the global interstate system, and it also attempts to explain the interactions of others whose behavior originates with one country and it targeted toward member of other countries. Now come on students, let's see its meaning of international relations. The official relations conducted by authorized leaders of the state. The way in which two or more nations interact with and regard each other, especially in the context of political, economic, or cultural relationship. The discipline of IR deals with war, military, listen it again. The discipline of IR deals with war, military alliance, diplomacy, trade, cooperation, and peace. Why international relation? International relation, it goes beyond peace and war, past poverty and business. Rather, it explores the key players in world politics, political patterns, and identifies the theories for how resolution and cooperation can be reached. Under this topic, why international relation, we can determine the purpose of international relation. Let's see it. Number one, the origins of war and the maintenance of peace. Number two, the nature and exercise of power within the global system. Number three, the changing character of state and non-state actors who participate in international decision making. Next topic our is significance of international relations. International relation is very important discipline. International relation promotes successful trade policies between nations. IR encourages travel related to business, tourism, and immigration, providing people with opportunities to enhance their lives. IR allows nations to cooperate with one another, pool resources, and share information as a way to face global issues that go beyond any particular country or region. Contemporary global issues including pandemics, terrorism, and the environment. IR advances human culture through cultural exchanges, diplomacy, and policy development. This is your lecture about the introduction of IR, its purpose and significance. It's all over. Dear students, until tomorrow, stay home, stay blessed. Fi aman Allah.